One thing that I have learned over the years that I think every home should have is a transition area from the garage into the house. Some people call it a drop zone, mud room. This is a very simple yet beautiful place to put all kinds of things, your shoes, hats, dog leashes, but just to where you can, as you're coming in the house from work or wherever, you can lay things here. In a lot of homes that we deal with is everything gets brought into the kitchen because that's the first place to lay things down. So if you're thinking about building a custom home, think about, man, I need a transition area. I need an area to drop and place things so that they're handy when you go out. You have a place for your keys, your shoes, umbrella, what have you. So just think about that on your next build. Thank you.